number 3, discovering Tut, the saga continues. Let us see. Next, part number 3, page number 25, last paragraph. Amenhotep III. It is the Tut's father or grandfather. That was not clear whether Amenhotep is a father or grandfather. Was a powerful pharaoh. Powerful pharaoh means powerful king who ruled for almost 4 decades. 1 decade, 10 years. In 1 decade, 10-year continuum. So 4 decade means 40 years. So till 40 years he has ruled over there at the height of 18th dynasty's golden age. 18th dynasty golden age, in which 40 years he has ruled over there. His son Amenhotep IV succeeded him. Obviously through his son Amenhotep IV, uska jo beta the next, he also done the same thing. He also was a powerful king. He ruled over there, also initiated one of the strangest period in history. That was the strangest period of the history, ancient Egypt. It was the ancient Egypt's history. That Amenhotep III, Amenhotep IV, they were a powerful king. They have ruled over there since so many years. And the new pharaoh, means new king, promoted the worship of the Aten. Aten is, the scientist changed his name to Akhenaten. Sorry, Akhenaten, and the meaning of that servant of the Aten. Aten is one of the god. At that time in Egyptian, the name of the god is Aten. And moved the religious capital from the old city of the Thebes to the new city of Akhetaten. Here underline the word I can ask into the one mark, known now as Amarnath. This is the name of God. These all the name they have put by themselves according to the name of God. And here he further shocked the country by attacking Ammon, a major god. Ammon is the major god, smashing his images and closing his temples. Underline the word smashing. Smashing means breaking. Smashing means breaking. What they are breaking? So smashing his images and closing his temples, it must have been a horrific time. That was a horrific time. Why? Said Ray Johnson, director of the University of Chicago's Research Center in Luxor. Underline the word Ray Johnson. Here you have given who was that person. That person was the director of University of Chicago Research Center in Luxor, the site of ancient Thebes. That was the site of ancient Thebes, where they have investigated all the things, examined all the things. The family that had ruled for centuries was coming to an end. Obviously, the family of whose Tut, Egyptian king's family, was now come to an end. And then Akhenaten went a little wacky. Wacky means here funny. Here what does it mean? Wacky means fun. So here now he looked a little bit funny over here. And then second para. After Akhenaten's death, a mysterious ruler named after Akhenaten, the king, afterwards who came to rule over there, Smenkhkare, appeared briefly and exited with hardly a trace. Exited means departed. And then a very young. See, Smenkhkare is the person who is the king who ruled over there, but for a little time. Afterward, who came over there? The young Tutankhaten. In the very first part, I have given this name, Tutankhaten, our king, Tut. Tutankhaten took the throne. Afterward, he has took the throne. Throne means the place where the king is sitting. That place is called throne. The king named Tut, he is widely known today. That king was widely known at that time. The boy king. Boy king means younger king. Soon changed his name to Tutankhamun. He has changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun, living image of Amun. He was physically he was looked like the god Amun. Amun means what? And oversaw a restoration of the old ways. He reigned for about 9 years and then died unexpectedly. Yes, obviously here you can underline that he ruled over there for only 9 years. got the death mysterious. No one knows the reason of it. And that's why here Carter started to investigate about this Tut. Regardless of his fame and the speculation about his, here you can underline speculations means guess. Here speculations means you can see guess. To imagine, okay? So guess about his fate. Now they wanted to know about their fate. Tut is one mummy among many in Egypt. See, in Egypt you can see many of the pyramids. So many mummies are there in the Egypt. How many? No one knows. How many mummies are there? No one knows. The Egyptian Mummy Project, which began an inventory in the late 2003. In 2003, one of the investigation has done in the Egypt, and what has given the record, had recorded almost 600 so far and is still counting. See, in 2003, one of the person has done the investigation on mummies. So at that time, that person came to know that in Egypt, the total 600 mummies are there, and still it is counting. It was not fixed. It is more than that. So the next phase, scanning the mummies with the portable CT machine donated by the machine. CT scanner machine donated to Carter by whom, underlined here, by the National Geographic Society and Siemens, its manufacturer. The CT scanner machine manufacturer has given this machine in donation to do investigation. King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned. The first king, Tut, who was the first mummy to be scanned in that machine. In death, as in life, moving regally ahead of his countrymen. See, in whole country, only the mummy who was the first to going to be inside the machine for CT scan. A CT machine scanned the mummy head to toe. ऊपर से लेके नीचे पूरी बॉडी they are trying to scan, creating 1700 digital X-rays images. How many digital X-rays they have created through that CT scan machine? 1700. You just can imagine, and I have used the word for it, the slices of the bread. It was like a slices of the bread. They have taken out so many X-rays of it. And in cross section, Tut's had scanned. Finally, Tut's had scanned in 0.62 mm slices of registered its intricate means here complicated structures, takes on eerie detail. Eerie means frightening detail. When they have done the head CT scan, they have got the frightening news about it. What the news? In the resulting image, the Tut's entire body similarly recorded. The whole body, whole CT scanner recorded. And a team of specialists in radiology, I hope you know radiation they are measuring. Forensic and anatomy began to probe the secrets that the winged goddesses of Gilded Burial shrine protected for so long. These mummy, as they have done the CT scan, they are coming to know that this mummy is literally preserved by so many years, and it was still as it is. The night of the scan, at that night when they have done the CT scan of that Tut, of that king, workmen carried Tut from the tomb in his box. Finally, they have carried the Tut from tomb to his box. Like pallbearers. Pallbearers are the person who carried the dead bodies. 4 persons we need to carry dead bodies when the person has got the death. That is called pallbearers. They climbed a ramp and flight of stairs into the swirling sand outside. Finally, they have started what stairs into the swirling. Swirling here, you can see that moving in a whirling motion. This is called whirling. Round and round and round. So, pallbearers, they climbed a ramp and flight of the stair into the swirling sand outside. As swirling sand, जो धूल मिट्टी थी वहाँ पे ऐसे उड़ने लगी into the round motion. And then rose on a hydraulic lift into the trailer. Hydraulic lift were there into the trailer. Trailer means vehicle drawn by another vehicle. That had the scanner. That trailer had carried the scanner. And 20 minutes later, with a two men emerged. After 20 minutes, two men emerged. Emerged means came out. Sprinted for an office nearby. He returned with a pair of white plastic fans. The $1 million scanner had quit. Finally, at that time, see, as they have taken out the mummy for CT scan, so somewhere they have got problem in it. So they have got the whirling motion of the sand. That sand moving into the scanner machine, and thus the scanner machine was quit. Quit here means stopped to work. जैसे ही उसमें धूल मिट्टी गई स्कैनर में, it was stopped working. The $1 million scanner, it was truly a very expensive machine, and at that time it was stopped because of sand in the cooler fan. Just because in that CT scan the sand was going, and that's why it was stopped, just because of sand. Curse of the Pharaoh. Who said this? Jogged a guard nervously. Whoever the guard was there, who said that this is the curse of the Pharaoh. You have did the CT scan. King को ये पसंद नहीं आया, and that's why आपको उन्होंने क्या दिया? श्राप. Now, eventually the substitute fans worked well enough to finish the procedure. Finally, that fans worked properly to finish the procedure of the CT scan. After checking that no data had been lost, none of the data had been lost from the scanner as they have restarted. The technician turned Tuck over to workmen and who carried him back to his tomb. Finally, CT scan done, and they have carried the mummy to the tomb again. Less than 3 hours after he was removed from his coffin. See, to the procedure, whatever the procedure they have done, it has taken 3 hours only to do CT scan and all the thing examine. So it has taken 3 hours. The Pharaoh again rested in peace. Again, the same skeleton and same Pharaoh put into the same box. He rested in the peace again at the same place where the funerary priest had laid him so long ago. Where the priest had buried him before so many years. जहाँ पे उसको दफनाया गया था, दरी उसको वापस रख दिया गया coffin में. Back in the trailer, a technician pulled up astonishing images of Tut on the computer screen. Now they can see the computer screen where they have taken recorded of the CT scan, and they can see the Pharaoh over there on the computer screen. Here astonishing means surprising. Astonishing means surprising. It was totally surprising when they have seen first time the record of the Tut's CT scan into the computer screen. A grey had took shape from a scattering of the pixel. Pixel means small dots. Where if you have seen so many movies in which you can see the scanner, afterward that scanner with the small dots, it creates a whole picture of Tut. So वो small dot पहले दिखाई दिया, afterward they can see the clear face of the Tut. The technician spun and titled it in very direction. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in an anatomy. They can see the neck vertebrae, and other images revealed a hand. दूसरी image दिखी hand. Several views of the ribcage also they can see on the computer screen, and transaction of skull. They have seen the transaction of the skull on the computer screen. But for now the procedure was off. But now procedure was off. They have taken 3 hours for it. Sitting back in his chair, Zahi Hawa smiled and visibly relieved that nothing has gone seriously wrong, as he has completed the investigation on Tut's mummy. Finally, investigation done and nothing has gone wrong. I didn't sleep last night as he has completed the procedure of CT scan. He cannot even sleep at that night. Why? Just because, not for a second. He said, I was so worried. He was so worried about what? But now I think I will go and sleep. He was so worried that I have done so important task over here. I have completed. But why he was worried and why he was worried about it, he has not given reason for it. But now finally he thought that now I have to sleep and I have to go from here. So by the time we left the trailer, as they have left the trailer, they have seen the record, whatever done into the CT scan. Descending metal stair to the sandy ground. Finally they have moved to sandy ground. The wind had stopped. That wind who was moving so far, that wind was totally stopped now. The winter air lay cold. At that time they can feel the winter season and the wind was truly very cold. And still like a death itself. The atmosphere, it was like a death itself. In this valley of the departed, just above the entrance of Touchstone stood Orion. As they have entered the Touchstone, Orion, Orion is the group of star name. It is a name of group of star. Constellation that the ancient Egyptians knew as the soul of Osiris. Osiris is the god of afterlife. Afterlife, whatever the god is there, the name of that god is Osiris. When he was seen to the sky, when he has seen into the sky, he has seen the picture of Orion. Orion is one kind of god's picture. Okay, Orion is the name of a group of star. Okay, that we call constellation. The god of afterlife watching over the boy king, and that god watching over the boy king, it was the picture in the sky he has noticed at last. So finally the procedure has done, and he has got all the thing, and he has scanning all the thing, but still here we have not given that reason why he got the death. But yes, they have done the procedure of CT scanner machine, and they had done the mummy's CT scan first time. This is our chapter. So please refer this chapter. I'll send you the PDF very soon, and queries you will solve into the live session. Thank you.